Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with the Heart Day bundle. It comes with a pack of 40 ephemera pieces, as well as 19 embellishments, which are just gorgeous. These adorable fringe hearts, and a 6x12 cardstock sticker set that have 94 stickers inside. So I realized that it may seem strange to be working with Valentine themed products already, and I'm all in my December daily mode. So I decided to incorporate these products into my 5th day of my December daily. And the reason why we're launching this bundle right now is because a lot of people are already starting to work on Valentine Day Happy Mail in order to order the products, get them shipped, and make your stuff and ship them out. It's time to already start looking at these products. Now, I love these so much, and they actually worked so well. When I saw that they matched the colors of snow and cocoa perfectly, I was like, I have to use these. I'm in December daily mode, and there's no reason why you can't incorporate love-themed products into your December daily. So I use a lot of the elements in this day that are just pink, and I add little parts of my Christmassy things into it that make it look perfectly coordinated and matched for the theme. Like I take the ribbon and add the word December to it, like the little rosette embellished ribbon, and add the word December across. I also take one of the fringe hearts and I cover up the Happy Valentine's Day and I put Wonderful Day. The banquet that we went to on the 5th of December was a celebration for our Fun Time Volleyball League. It was the 40th anniversary of the league being in existence, and I've played in the league for at least half of that. So we went to the celebration, and the cupcake theme of this collection was perfect because my girlfriend was so hilarious with her cupcake. She was like all about the icing. It was a really memorable moment. So to take the cupcake elements from the Heart Day bundle and include them in my December daily, was a perfect match. So that was really fun. The colors coordinate really well. You'll see I actually use the Doodlebug Christmas Town papers as well, and they coordinate. So because this ephemera comes with a lot of tags and a lot of little elements that you can stick under like background pieces, it was fantastic. It worked really, really well. So I'm going to let you enjoy the video, and you can see all the different elements that I incorporate into the December daily. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram at Polka Dot Mailbox. And if you want to check out this Heart Day bundle, it is available at www.polkadotmailbox.com. We are in Canada. We ship from Canada. This bundle ships for $3.99 to the US or to Canadians. So thanks so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They look
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat, repeat the sounding joy. No more let sins and sorrows grow, nor thorns infest the ground. He comes to make his blessings flow, for as the curse is found, for as the curse is found, for as the curse is found. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love.